What the hell are you?
Sorry. Relax, babe. Try this.
What the fuck? Don't wash your engine with pressure water. Better do it with a steam machine. Pressure water can soak the wires, sensors, and electrical parts under your hood. This steam machine is easy as hell to use, and it gets your engine super clean. Look at that. It removes oil, grease, black dirt, and all that nasty grime from the engine. And it's not just for the engine. You can clean car tires, dashboard, glass, floor mats, cup holders, and door cracks. This thing removes dirt easily without scrubbing like crazy. With hot steam, it can clean damn near every part of your car. So if you want one, click the orange card in the corner of the video and order yours right now.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.